Welcome to Bioverse.
Big update for all JEE aspirants. JEE Main 2026 registration is going live today. Yes, you heard it right. The National Testing Agency is about to activate the registration link for JEE Main 2026 Session 1 at jeemain.nta.nic.in. Let's check the dates, fees, eligibility, and latest changes you must know before applying. As per the latest update, JEE Main 2026 registration is expected to start today. The link will soon be active at jeemain.nda.nic.in. Make sure to visit only the official website and avoid fake links. The JEE Main 2026 exam dates are officially announced. Session 1 will be held from January 21 to 30, 2026, and Session 2 from April 1 to 10, 2026. Visit jeemain.nta.nic.in. Click on New Candidate Registration. Complete registration to get your application number. Log in, fill details and upload documents. Pay the fees and submit. Download confirmation page and keep it safe. If your Aadhar and Class 10 certificate details don't match, you can fix them while filling the form. No need to panic. This year, NTA has introduced a few important updates. Added a new module for auto-fetch personal details using Aadhar authentication. More exam centers in India and abroad. Easier and faster registration process. The exam pattern and syllabus for JEE Main 2026 will be released soon, along with the official information bulletin. Until then, keep preparing with the previous year's syllabus and pattern. So that's the latest update on JEE Main 2026 registration. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for instant updates as soon as the registration link goes live.